Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of verify account on the application of Google Meet. You will click on settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will search about Google Meet and you will click. Here we go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget support as well.